Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best tag removal tool is probably one of the most useful gadgets for online shoppers and thrift store enthusiasts, allowing you to easily remove those pesky security tags from your newly acquired clothing items without causing any damage. This video will explore the top-rated options available, examining their ease of use, effectiveness, and overall value, helping you choose the perfect tool to tackle those frustrating security tags. Number 5. Perco Tagging Gun Kit. It's more than just a tagging gun, it comes with everything you need to get started, including needles, fasteners, and tags. You'll be ready to tag in minutes. Designed for comfort, it fits perfectly in your hand, making tagging quick and easy, even for long periods. Say goodbye to hand cramps. From retail stores and warehouses to yard sales and craft fairs, it's versatile enough for any tagging job. It's perfect for various tagging needs. It easily attaches tags to a wide variety of fabrics, making it ideal for clothing, textiles, and more. However, it's not suitable for delicate materials like silk or satin. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to withstand daily use. Plus, it comes with a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. Stop wasting time manually attaching price tags. This tagging gun makes the process fast and efficient, saving you valuable time and effort. What we like? This comprehensive kit has everything you need to get started, including tags and fasteners. Its ergonomic design makes tagging comfortable, even for long periods. If you need a reliable, long-lasting tagging solution for various fabrics, this is the one for you. Number 4. 1518 PCS Clothes Tagging Applicator Set. This set provides everything you need for efficient clothing tagging. It includes a handheld applicator, needles, and plenty of fasteners in various sizes. The applicator's ergonomic design ensures comfortable use. Its easy-to-use trigger minimizes hand strain, even during extended use. You get 1,512 fasteners in 3 sizes to suit different garments. Small for socks, medium for children's clothes, and large for adult clothing. Attaching tags is quick and simple. The applicator's smooth trigger mechanism makes tagging fast and efficient. It's a cost-effective solution that significantly speeds up your tagging process. It's perfect for various tagging needs. Remember to check the fastener sizes before purchasing. These fasteners are designed for hanging tags only. Refer to the instructions for optimal use. What we like? It offers different sized fasteners to fit various items. The easy-to-use design minimizes hand fatigue. If you're looking for a convenient and efficient tagging solution with plenty of supplies, this is a great choice. Number 3. MECCANIXITY HTG 040 Tags. These innovative security tags are designed to protect your merchandise. They're perfect for clothing, shoes, and more. It uses a powerful magnetic system for a secure hold. Installation is quick and easy, taking only seconds. No tools are needed. Simply attach it by hand, it's that simple. Made from high-quality ABS material, they are built to last. The design is compact and aesthetically pleasing. Suitable for a wide variety of items, including clothing, shoes, hats, and bags. Keep your inventory safe and secure. The strong magnetic lock and high sensitivity ensure effective theft prevention. They're a cost-effective solution for retailers. Measuring just 50 by 12 by 25 millimeters, they are discreet and highly effective. The magnetic system is powerful and reliable. Each pack contains 20 anti-theft tags, ready to use. Ensure your detector is the same frequency for optimal performance. What we like? These tags use a simple magnetic system for quick and easy attachment and removal. No tools are needed for installation. If you prioritize speed and ease of use for your security tags, this is a perfect option. What people say? These alarms weigh less than the black alarms and seem more pliable to attach to jewelry. The light color allowed us to use Sharpies to write identifier. They work. Number 2. RF EAS Security Tags. These tags are compatible with most 8.2 MHz RF EAS systems. The package includes 1,000 tags and 100 lanyards, perfect for various retail settings. They're made with a durable, flathead grooved pin and magnetic locking mechanism, This design is gentle on clothing and other soft items. It's designed to be unobtrusive yet highly effective. The system easily detects them at the checkout. Simply insert the pin into the item and push it into the tag. Removal is easy with a magnetic detacher, sold separately. It's suitable for various items like clothing, shoes, bags, and more. It works with all RF shop systems, ideal for supermarkets and clothing stores. What we like? It's compatible with 8.2 MHz RF systems, offering robust security. The high-quality materials ensure durability and prevent damage to clothing. If you need reliable security tags for a wide range of items and a compatible RF system, this is a great option. What people say. Worked perfectly. Came with everything you need, except a removal device, and all of them seem to set off the security alarm like they are supposed to. This product is small so it doesn't weigh the clothes down and it isn't bulky. Very easy to use. All pieces arrived intake. I'm not sure if it's 1K, but it's way more than enough for the price. Sturdy. And easy to use. Number 1. MECCANIXITY HTG 013 tags. These anti-theft tags are perfect for securing your merchandise. They're easy to use and provide reliable protection. It uses a strong magnetic lock, making it ideal for clothing, shoes, hats, and more. Installation is quick and easy. Its compact size and sleek design won't detract from your merchandise's appearance. They're designed to be both effective and unobtrusive. No tools are needed. You can install it in under 5 seconds, saving you valuable time and effort. Made from durable ABS material, it's built to last and can be reused multiple times. They're a cost-effective solution for your security needs. It utilizes reliable 58 kHz radio frequency technology for accurate detection at a distance of 1.2 to 1.6 meters. Ensure your detector is the same frequency for optimal removal. This bulk pack of 100 provides ample protection for your inventory. Get the security you need at a great value. What we like? It offers reliable radio frequency security. Installation is quick and easy, requiring no tools. If you need a large quantity of reusable, easy-to-install security tags, this is an excellent choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.